Assalamualaikum. Hello my students, how are you today? So, today's assignment is you have to create a new video about preposition of place. So, I will give you the example about the video. After you watch the video, then you have to create a new video about preposition of place and send the video to me by WhatsApp or Google Classroom. Thank you. Let's watch the video. Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fai. I'm from grade 4, Sunan Kalijaga. I'm going to do my assignment about preposition of place. So, this is my desk. My desk is in my room. There are my bed, my books, my laptop, my bottle, and my mouse on the desk. So, my bag near to my books near to my laptop, my mouse is on the laptop, and my bottle is behind the laptop. So look, I have my pencil case in my bag. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.